What's up guys, it's Falcons Packs here, and today we have an elite trainer box of the Champions Path. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like below, and also leave in the comment section what your favourite set is at the moment and what your favourite card from that set is. It'd be nice to know, and hopefully I might be able to get my hands on some of them, and yeah, we'll just go from there. But enjoy the video, about to get into it. Let's crack this open. Move that over to the side. Move this with sleeve thingy magic. Put it over there so you get some pretty cool card sleeves. Wipe them over there for now. The promo Charizard, which looks really nice actually. So let's put that over to the side as well. Just some energies, the game rule book, and yeah, that's pretty much it. A few other little things like dividers and tokens. Right, let's move this over to the side. Into the first pack. I think it's 4 from the back. And we have an electric energy. Pokemon Center Lady. Hop. Beedrill. Kakuna. Pokeball. Machop. Hatena, Full Hill, Reverse Team Yell Grunt, and a Hollow Zygarde. Right over there. Yeah, there we go. Four from the back. Fighting Energy. Piers. Sonya. Sharpedo. Galarian Zigzagoon. Trubbish. Full Hill. Sizzlipede. Purloin. Reverse Arbok. And an Incineroar V. Into the third pack. So we have a Fire Energy, Hyper Potion, Liepard, Suspicious Food Tin, Carvanha, Potion, Rockruff, Weedle, Swablu, Reverse Suspicious Food Tin, and a Professor's Research Hollow. Little code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Beedrill, Arbok, Hop, Galarian Zigzagoon, Weedle, Purloin, Pokeball, Inkay, is that Reverse Metal Energy, and a Centiskorch. There we go. Have Metal Energy, Absol, Beedrill, Rotom Bike, Rockruff, Potion, Vulpix, Machop, Roly-Poly, a Victini, and another Zygarde. Fourth in the back. We have a Water Energy, Absol, Rotom Bike, Machoke, Carvanha, Swablu, Vulpix, Trubbish, Roly-Poly, a Hattrem, and an Altaria Holo. Four from the back again. Energy, Victini, Machoke, Kabu, Inkay, Pokeball, Sizzlipede, Galarian Zigzagoon, Scraggy, a Reverse Ekans, and a Graplocked V. Quite a nice card. Right, next one. There we go. Code card. We have a Grass Energy, Sonia, Kabu, BD, Galarian Linoon, Scraggy, Roly-Poly, Nickit, Ekans, a Reverse Energy, and a Hop. That is a really nice card. Second to last pack. Code cards, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Lightning Energy, Machoke, Pokemon Center Lady, Hop, Sizzlipede, Purloin, Ekans, Potion, Vulpix, Reverse Scrafty, and a Gardevoir V. That is a very nice card as well. I do really like the artwork on these cards, to be fair. They're really, really nice. Right, and the final pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. Great Ball. Absol. Victini, Potion, Pokeball, Carvanha, Ekans, Weedle, a Reverse Holo Victini, and a Holo Hattrem. Well, let's have a quick recap of what we got from the first Elite Trainer box. So we've got a Hattrem, a Gardevoir V, very nice, a Hop, is it a full art? I'm not entirely sure, I'll have to look into that, but that is a very nice card as well. Graplock V, Altaria Holo, Zygarde Holo, Center Scorch, Professor's Research, an Incineroar V, and a Zygarde. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the content and want to see more, feel free to drop a like below and consider subscribing. There'll be some more openings on the channel within the next couple of days. I've got a Vivid Voltage ETB, a booster box, and another Champions Path ETB. And yeah, look forward to seeing you.